Leetcode Daily Challenge, question 1848. Minimum distance to the target element. This is an easy problem. To analyze this problem, the first condition is abstract. With ABS, we can tell the direction doesn't matter. Either we can go to the left or go to the right. But we start from this index, which is the start. If we can do a loop from 0 to the length of this array, we're gonna find out the minimum distance, which means the closest element to the given start. All we have to do is just check this index. The value at this index is equal to the target number. These are the steps we're going to use to solve this problem.